Hi, I'm Nikki. I'm the CEO and founder of GoodMine. We're a data platform startup and we're looking to unlock the circular economy. Our goal is to make it as easy to repair and rehome an item as it is to buy it. Kath and Amanzi, they're an amazing team. What I find when you talk to them is you might underestimate what they can do, but actually when you work with them, you see the depth of their technical expertise and how they can build absolutely anything that you want them to build. What she did is went through and said, audited what we'd done, document really everything so that we knew what, I had transparency over what was there and what wasn't there. It was just confidence in knowing that she knew what she was talking about. So having somebody very technical to kind of direct, basically. As a non-technical person, I was very relieved to have, knowing somebody that had my best interests at heart, giving clear instructions and taking control of developers. A lot of the stuff still goes over my head, but what's been really good is that things when they do go over my head, I can ask questions and things are explained to me. Things are also immaculately recorded so that whenever you need to clarify something or go back to something, or often with my grants I have to go back and do quite a lot of reporting and then review where were we, where are we now, and having that structure enables us to really measure our progress. I can't imagine building GoodMine without Kath. Kath is amazing to work with. She's a lot of fun, doesn't take herself too seriously, super driven, hardworking. She brings the best out in people. I would also say that she's amazingly networked as well. So whenever we've needed to recruit into our team, somehow Kath is the magic kind of networking queen. They will make you comfortable in building your product. You can trust them. They know what they're doing and they will help you build whatever you want to build.
So I went down to the bar and found my face.